guys, so for today I'm gonna do a little bit of a different type of a video because you know the channel's all for empowerment at all ages. So you know, we all love skincare. We want to try to look the best that we possibly can at any age. So I do subscribe to some of the beauty boxes, beauty subscription boxes, and one of the ones that I've subscribed to for years has been Ipsy. I do get the Glam Plus bag, so that had come in the mail on Friday. I'm actually filming this on Saturday, but yeah, I was out filming some other things. I'm filming Disney Springs Hotel currently, which is where I am right now. So this is a little bit of a different setup for me. So you don't hear the birds chirping in the background, but I miss them. But I digress. I'm here to unbox the Ipsy Glam Plus for the month. This should be September, hopefully. Sometimes their shipments have been extremely late. But we'll see what we have this month. I have everything pulled up from what should be in the box so I can go over prices and everything as well and let you know how I feel about receiving these products as someone that's an older person. So I don't like any shiny any type of cream like blush or highlighter or anything like that. It seems like, you know, once you get a little older it can settle into your pores, so I'm hoping not to get that. Also sometimes they send some really some eyeshadow palettes that have colors in it that I'm not going to use, and either I hand those off to my granddaughter or, you know, I might be gifted. Sometimes I go ahead and maybe add it into a gift for a Poshmark customer. Sometimes I always sell them if it's something that's full size. That's one thing I love about Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is that they're all full size. Now this bag does not look like the bag that they have online. This is the bag that I received. I'm not crazy about this. It looks a little juvenile to me. It's got like peace signs and OMG and yes and have fun. So I really would not ever use this bag. They used to have the really nice bags that had the zippers on them, pretty much like the regular Ipsy bags, but they were larger when it first started out, and I loved getting those bags. It seemed like they were an upgrade. These bags, these little cloth drawstring bags, to me seem like they're a downgrade. I think that the rate that I'm paying for Ipsy Plus now might be around, I'd want to say it's maybe $34, $35. I'll leave a little, I'll text somewhere in the video how much I pay per month for these that bags, but I don't know, guys. I might stop subscribing to it soon. We'll have to see. Let's see what we got in this bag, though. See if we've received something nice that we like. Let me move this out of the way. I haven't opened anything yet, and I hope that the items go along with what items they have here online so I can go over them with you, because this bag does not look anything at all, like I said, like what I received. So first thing that I'm pulling out, you see the box is a little beat up here, but this is a palm brush, so it's by Farrah. So it's just like a little makeup brush. This soft to touch foundation brush is made of dense, firm bristles that help achieve a smooth, even application. Fits easily right into the palm of your hand for easy use. I don't use brushes when I apply makeup either. I'll dab it with my index finger, which is something when I went to the Estee Lauder makeup counter, there was a makeup artist that was there, and he told me that's the best thing to do, especially if you don't want a full foundation. I just kind of like to cover up, you know, I might have some dark spots or something. I like to cover those, and I don't want to put on a full face of foundation. So he said that's the best thing, just to dab in those areas. And one thing I can recommend for everybody, make sure you wear sunscreen, irregardless of your skin complexion. You know, I'm darker toned, and I used to love to kind of sit in the sun and read and just, you know, feel bask in the sun, not necessarily for a tan, but just because I liked it. And it did cause me to have some age spots when I got a little older, and I didn't wear my sunscreen. So make certain you wear your sunscreen. But this, I'm not going to use this, so I'm not certain what I might do. I might put this in like a giveaway or something like that. I'm probably going to have a ginormous giveaway if I ever get to, you know, even if I get to, I think, 100 subscribers, I might have like a giveaway for them. But yeah, this is a no-go for me. And this also is not listed in my my description over here with what I should received. Here's the card that's in there. This is for August. So, you know, I'm just now getting my August bag. This is another problem, guys. So I've just received my August bag on Friday, which is September. So I should be getting my September bag. So I'm going to see if I can pull up the information for my August bag, and maybe that'll be helpful. If this is taking me forever, then I will, you know, pause the video and go into finding it for. Here's the August bag here. Yeah, it's such a disaster, I tell you. Okay, so there is the Farrah brush, the palm brush here. They have this listed at $15. It looks really pretty online, but I would not pay $15 for this little brush. I do like the bottom of it though. It's super cute. See how it says Farrah right there on it? So yeah, I mean, this bag, this brush I'm not going to use. So that will get passed along. And let's go back out so I can see what else we received in the August bag. Okay, so the card, and this is, see, now I'm trying to film this, and this is already September. I'm just filming the August. Is Hotel Paradise is the card, but this has probably already been out for I don't know how long, because I'm just receiving mine. All right, here is a brand here, Dr. Zenovia. I've never heard of this. Clear complexion aloe vera blemish soothing moisturizer is what I received. Now for this here, this has a retail of $38. It says it's a moisturizer that hydrates and helps fight acne. Sign us up. This moisturizer nourishes and soothes your skin with ingredients like succulene and aloe vera. It also features medical grade ingredients that help to fight and reduce blemishes and acne. So at the age that I am now, I don't have any blemishes or acne, but I did have it throughout my adult life. Even when I was in probably my early 40s, I would have some acne. So, but this I can pass along to my granddaughter, see if she likes it, and she might want to use it. So even though that's two products that I've already received that I'm not going to use, but at least one of them I can give to someone that I know. Now this is a smaller type of a product, but everything's supposed to be full size. This is called Unseen Sunscreen. Has an SPF of 40. It's by Supergoop. So it's just a broad spectrum sunscreen. This now, if it's something that I can use on my face, then I'll go ahead and use that. But this is, it's $27 for this size. I would never pay $27. Look how small that is. It's the size of my palm. But this, okay, I think you can use it. Yeah, you can use this right before makeup or as your last step. So this is something that I will use. I'm happy to have received this. I think the size is rather small, especially for the price point that they have that for $27. But okay, so out of 3 items so far, I have 1 that I'd be able to use. And the next thing we have is a Live Loud liquid lipstick and lip gloss duo. So let's take a look at the colors, because I do love a lip gloss, and I don't mind. I have so many lipsticks and so many lip colors, but let's take a look and see if this is something. Hopefully it's not red. I do see a red one that's online here. The way this is boxed up, it's kind of hard to even open it. So Live Loud, it probably is going to be like a crazy red color, which is not something that I wear. Look at this right here, guys. Unless this is the gloss portion of it. Let's see what this says. All right, they have this listed. I've never heard of this brand before either. It's called Fluid, Fluide. Never heard of that brand. They have this as $22, lip gloss and lipstick. I'm not certain which is which. You know, and it says that it pairs perfectly with the matte lipstick, liquid lipstick, which I don't like matte liquid lipsticks either because they seem like they dry my lips out. But it says it pairs perfectly with the sparkly gloss for a long-lasting glossy shade and conditioning as well. Again, I don't think that I would use this. The lip gloss does look... Oh, this is the lip gloss. Okay. So if it's not that bright red color, it actually might be kind of pretty. So maybe I'll give it a try. I do like a nice mauve colored lipstick. So that one might be a go. That was listed at $22. And I think we've got one more product that's in our bag. I'm just tapping back so I could see. This is some Trace Luxe. And it is a shimmer, a highlight duo. Oh my goodness. I don't mind highlighters, but I have so many highlighters that I really don't feel like I need another one. I'm having trouble even getting this package to open. Okay, here we go. So we got it open. Let's take a look. All right, so it's just like in a cardboard packaging. And let's take a look at the colors. These are really dark colors for a highlighter, I think. What do you guys think? Look at this, almost looks like a bronzer almost, and this is a very dark highlighter. You know, maybe for a darker skin tone. This is called Daydream and Abundance are the colors that I received. And let's see. I'll give you the price for this one. I have this one listed at $18. So nothing really that was at a really high, spectacular price point either. So, and it says it's a highlighter. Show the world your best light with this highlighter duo. It's got just the right amount of shimmer for a natural looking glow. Plus it's infused with skin softening vitamin E and Mexican agave extract. So that was $18. So if you combined all of the items that I received, it's not... I don't believe that it comes up to the price point that it says that these bags should be, you know, for a retail price. This highlighter, I don't know. Again, that will probably be something that goes in a giveaway, or maybe I'll bundle it with some other highlighters and put it in my Poshmark store because it's you know, brand new, full size. But yeah, I'm really not happy with this box at all. Well, actually, it's last month's box because this should have been received in the month of August. And I had another box that I had from Ipsy that it took over 2 months to get it, and I constantly had to keep contacting them for it. So I don't know, guys. I'm going to see. Let me know what your thoughts are. Are any of you subscribed to Ipsy? How do you like it? Have you felt like the products have declined in quality? And you know, when you receive the bag, is it on time for you? Out of my 5 products, I have one that I know that I'll use. This one, it's questionable. We'll see. This one, the brush, I know I'm not going to use that at all. The highlighter, I'm not going to use that. And this one here for acne, and you put your age in, kind of your age range, when you have your questionnaire that they ask when you sign up for Ipsy. So I'm not really at an age where they would feel, and I didn't even put that acne was a problem of mine. So they're not even really following along with, you know, what you've put in your questionnaire as far as your skincare concerns are. But this one, I can give it to my granddaughter if she wants that. And the bag, I do not like the bag at all. This will definitely be just like a little bonus thing. I'll just throw in my Poshmark store. If somebody purchases maybe some makeup or something like that, then I'll go ahead and add this in with their with their purchase, because maybe it's someone that's younger that would like this, or they have younger children that they can give this to and they can put toys in it or something. But yeah, so that was it for the August Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you received this bag, if you enjoy it, if you enjoy me bringing this content to you for as a person that's an older person, because maybe someone that's younger, they would like to have the acne moisturizer. They would like the brush, because people apply foundation differently. I don't like to use a brush. I seem to feel that it wastes a lot of your foundation, because you have so much that's going into the bristles and not really going on your skin. Sometimes I will use a dampened sponge, but again, I just put it on certain points. So maybe someone else would enjoy this bag, but let me know if you like this content like this coming from my channel. I do want to have a few different things, just because with the channel I think of it as I want for it to be an empowerment type of channel, just a personal development. So personal development can be financial, it could be just emotional things that we can do as older women or older men, single people, that are enjoyable for ourselves, and know that you don't always have to go and do things with other people. Even though it's nice, you have to make certain that you're with the right people that you enjoy being with, and if not, then there's things you can enjoy doing on your own. But I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you for spending time with me. As always, your time is appreciated, and we will see you soon.